Hidden in the serene mountains of Tochigi, Nasu Onsen Shrine is a sacred gem known for its mystical atmosphere and rich history. Surrounded by towering cedar trees, this ancient shrine is closely tied to the healing hot springs of Nasu, believed to bring good fortune and wellness. Before entering a Japanese shrine, there's an important ritual you should follow, Temizu, the cleansing of hands and mouth. But why is this done? Shrines are sacred places, and purification is a way to show respect. This simple ritual symbolizes washing away impurities, preparing both body and mind before approaching the divine. So, how do you properly perform Temizu? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, take the ladle in your right hand and scoop some water. Pour a little over your left hand to cleanse it. Next, switch hands, hold the ladle with your left and rinse your right hand. Then, pour some water into your left hand, bring it to your mouth, and rinse gently. Finally, tilt the ladle upwards to let the remaining water rinse the handle before placing it back for the next visitor. And that's it. Now, you're purified and ready to enter the shrine with a clean spirit. Next time you visit a Japanese shrine, take a moment to perform Temizu, a simple but meaningful gesture connecting you to Japan's rich spiritual traditions.